Welcome to our comprehensive overview of Amazon SageMaker, an innovative service from AWS designed to streamline the process of building, training, and deploying machine learning models. This session is tailored for data scientists, developers, and anyone interested in harnessing the power of machine learning efficiently and effectively. What is Amazon SageMaker? Amazon SageMaker is a fully managed service that provides every developer and data scientist with the ability to build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly. SageMaker removes the heavy lifting from each step of the machine learning process to make it easier to develop high-quality models. Core features and benefits: labeling raw data utilizes active learning to label your raw data, making the creation of training datasets more efficient. High-quality training datasets ensures highly accurate training datasets, crucial for the development of effective machine learning models. Fully managed notebook instances offers an integrated Jupyter Notebook interface for easy access to data sources for exploration and analysis. Optimized machine learning algorithms provides a broad set of highly optimized, built-in algorithms and supports custom algorithms. One-click training simplifies the model training process with a single click, reducing the time and effort involved. Effortless deployment allows for the easy deployment of machine learning models without requiring extensive engineering efforts. Amazon SageMaker pricing. Free tier. Amazon SageMaker offers a free tier for certain types of instances, helping you get started at no cost. On-demand pricing. Flexible pricing based on the type of instance and resources used. Hands-on practice. We are in the AWS console window now. Go to the Services drop-down menu, and find Machine Learning Services. On the right side of the drop-down menu, find Amazon SageMaker, then open the link Amazon SageMaker in a new tab. And we are now in the Amazon SageMaker main page now. Here we can quickly set up for a single user and advanced setup for organizations, and below is other essential information about the service. Let's go to the left pane and go to Getting Started. You can also see additional information here. Next, SageMaker Studio, and we have external link for Studio Labs, so let's check it. In here you can request for free account and watch video regarding Studio Lab. Let's go back and explore Studio on SageMaker and its basic information. Now moving on to admin configurations and click domains. We have here one default domain at the moment, then we have Role Manager, Images section, and Lifecycle configurations, and many more subsections including notebook instances and Git repositories as well as processing jobs. And that's all for our short Amazon SageMaker user interface review. How it works for Amazon SageMaker? Amazon SageMaker Studio provides a unified visual interface for end-to-end machine learning or ML development. It begins by preparing data, storing features, and detecting bias. Developers utilize notebooks for model building, training, and parameter tuning. Deployment in production is streamlined, and post-deployment, predictions can be explained. The platform also facilitates efficient management and monitoring of the entire ML lifecycle, ensuring a comprehensive and user-friendly experience for ML development and deployment. Amazon SageMaker is transforming the landscape of machine learning by making it more accessible, efficient, and scalable. Whether you're a seasoned data scientist or a developer stepping into the world of machine learning, SageMaker offers the tools and infrastructure to accelerate your ML journey. Thank you, and stay tuned for more insights and training on AWS services, and thank you for joining us in exploring the capabilities of Amazon SageMaker.